This is the future. This is the time to do more. Give more. Help more. Be more. A future where more compassion and more empathy will make us more human. A future where more technologies and more digital platforms will help bring more people to safety and prosperity. Welcome to the future. Here, you can be more with us. Access, more than banking.
Welcome back. Please join me in welcoming Malam Garba Kurfi. Malam Garba Kurfi is the Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer, APT Securities and Funds Limited. APT Securities and Funds Limited is a trading license holder of the NGS. Malam, you are welcome.
I'm happy to be with you.
And also, Aruna Kibira, you will like his face, you will like his appearance today. He is making money. When somebody is making money, you will definitely know. The smile will show, the shirt will show, the suit will show, the tie will show. Aruna Kibira is the Managing Director of Global View Capital Limited. Global View Capital Limited is also a trading license holder of the NGS. Aruna.
Good evening.
You are welcome. Now, Malam, let me take the first question. Looking at the OSHA, the market indicators, okay, we might not dwell so much on that, but we need to just touch it. The OSHA index of the Nigerian Stock Exchange grew 0.55%. Last week, market capitalization also grew by 0.55%. But you see the volume declining by 93.63%, deals declining 8.22%, value declining 19.68% was because the previous week there was the huge transfers of the Union Bank shares to Titan Group, or I say TGI, okay, and that was what prompted the growth in the volume and value of the market in the penultimate week. So for last week, since that was not, again, such transactions don't come every day. So, but looking at gainers, there were 29 gainers and there were 36 losers last week. And then comparing this against the previous week there were 37 gainers as against 29 last week, and then the other week 43 losers against 36. So now we don't need to be afraid, because most market analysts, most media outfits would not have been able to explain the factors behind the sharp decline in volume and that of value. But Malam, if I put it to you, I took time also to look at the percentage gains and the percentage of losses as recorded last week. These were actually mild by my own rating, because you see maximum gaining maybe around 12%, maximum loss around 13%, okay, whereas the market cumulatively can actually make a growth of 56%. If we are to look at the compound, if it gained 10% maximum on Monday, 10% maximum on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it could actually do more than 50% or lose more than 50% in a week. Now, to me, this market is struggling for direction. That is to me. How do you see the market?
Well, yes, it's equally we expect this, but we are not surprised, okay, because you know the uncertainty related to election. Now, the all major place of the political party is over, and therefore the direction is very clear to us, institutional investors and foreign investors. I expect the market to bounce back, because once you know the likely A or B that is going to do, what will be the outcome of either of the major two parties, if any of them succeed. We believe that we are all hoping that they are very friendly with the capital market, and therefore we see more of privatization of the government institution, and we see more positive changes in the capital market. And therefore, way forward, I see that the institutional investors, foreign investors will start coming to take position.
That is, I don't want us to dwell so much here because, Malam, I'm not actually particularly interested in foreign portfolio investors coming to take position here, because you see, any institution that will come to the market, push the prices up, and when there is a little distortion in our economy, they will pull out and take the funds back to their home state. I think it is just better that they stay in their home country.
Need them. What we are saying, when they come in, take position, before they get out, get out. Just what we are saying, it's a matter of market play. We need liquidity and we need volume. And they are one of the major players of the market that bring liquidity and the volumes.
Simply because the dollar, our currency has got no value. You are bringing in just $1,000, you begin to count in millions. But Aruna, as the market is struggling for direction, and of course we have seen, like Malam has said, as at today, all the political parties, both major and the minor, have elected their flag bearers. So there is expected to be a measure of tranquility in the market. What is the best strategy you think I should adopt?
You see, I think I will look at it from the historical perspective, that June, the way June lies. June lies immediately after both quarter one and quarter two have already won in the market, and we still have like 3 or 4 weeks before quarter two start coming in, and a lot of stocks have been marked down for both dividend and bonuses. I think what I would just tell the strategy to you as at this time, we have always said that if you look at the losers that you have been saying are those that are not fundamentally strong. Even while the market was dropping, you can discover that some stock only dropped 10% and they remain there as we speak. Some dropped by 20% and they remain there as we speak. If you look at the price of Presco, it fell from 200 to 162, but as we speak, this is still on board at 160, but they are picking it at 165, 166. If you look at the price of Okombo, it's reading 193.50 on board, but they are picking it at 200. It's telling a story that these stocks are going back to where they are coming from, and they may surpass where they are coming from. So it's to look at fundamentally strong stocks, especially look at their performances in quarter one. I'm looking at a situation where history can repeat itself in quarter two.
Okay. But what I wanted to add, the two stocks you mentioned, they are still CUM. So those who are interested for dividend, they can buy Okomo, they can buy Presco, they can buy Flour Mill, they can buy other stock that like Kutis, which have not yet marked down. So those one are CUM, and still you can benefit from the dividend.
What Malam meant by CUM is that they declared either dividend or scrip or bonus or both, but the price is yet to be adjusted for the dividend or the cash dividend or the scrip dividend.